My name is Otto Krekorian. I'm the Vice President of Commercial Development for Solar Optimum. We're here at Minterfield Airport, where we are nearly complete with a 1 megawatt ground mount utilizing first solar modules and CPS inverters. Across the street from the airport that we're net metering, so we're tying directly into the pole and net metering it through the utility. Our company is an industry leader in the C&I space and residential markets for solar as well as battery storage. Done over 85 megawatts of commercial and residential solar, as well as a number of hybrid energy storage and solar solutions. We're vertically integrated. We do everything in-house, from engineering to project management, construction management, labor, and we're technology agnostic. So we tailor each project to use products that are beneficial for that specific environment, what the client needs, as well as quality and keeping the costs manageable. So our strength has always been our vertical integration. I mean, we have many strengths, but I think the one that sets us apart from most people and most developers in our industry is the fact that we do a lot in-house. Most companies are essentially just brokers. Once they sign a contract, they'll farm out all the work to someone else. And the problem with that is not being able to control the quality and costs when you're relying on other people to handle your work. So we do the engineering in-house, permitting, operations, all the PM/CM work, as well as labor. We have the capabilities to do that on any size project, from our small residential division all the way through our C&I space. There are always unique challenges to every project. This one happens to be for an airport, on top of the normal issues that you would have with the building and safety, with the utility. On top of it, you have to deal with the FAA, doing glare studies. But like any project, if you've got the right team, if you have the right partners, CPS has been an ideal partner for us. I can get into a lot of details as to why, but I think the best compliment I could give them is that our ops and engineering personnel didn't have a single complaint throughout this entire process. Anytime we needed them to step up or help in any way, they were there. They supplied their own engineers to work with ours in providing an ideal electrical solution for a fairly complex project. When we had scheduling and logistics issues where we needed them to speed up or needed them to adjust their supply chain, they were able to support us throughout the entire project. One of the main benefits is we had an accelerated timeline, a lead time to get it to us. They were able to supply us with the wire boxes ahead of time, where we were able to get everything wired. And then when the inverters came, we just bolted them on. It was a great solution for a great project, and we wouldn't be able to have done it in this timeline without them. CPS has a 125 kW inverter, which is what we're using here. It has a 1500 volt input with a 600 volt output, and that is ideal for savings on the BOS side, wire management, just overall integration of a large ground mount solution like this. As big as CPS is, they were still able to give the high-touch relationship that most companies of their caliber and size just don't have the time for. It's usually a purchase order for most companies, and once you sign that contract, they'll give you a delivery date, and that's where it ends. With CPS, on this project specifically, as well as all other projects, they have their personnel there to help in ways that no one in their space would normally help with.